Having a secure and safe home is important to any homeowner. When we're building the ultimate dream smart home, we don't want all of that time and effort compromised by thieves, vandals, or nosy neighbors. In this episode of Designing the Ultimate Dream Smart Home, we're going to talk about security. My name is Steve, and this is IT Alchemy. Security for your home means two things: protecting the physical access to your home and the property, and being able to monitor the breaches in that security. So with that in mind, let's start with the physical access. The main entry points to our dream home are the front and back doors and the garage. For the front door, I'm using a Ubiquiti G4 Doorbell Pro. It's got integrated cameras, two-way talk, and a doorbell. That means notification of visitors and the ability to answer the door from pretty much anywhere. It also supports a ton of access methods: the Unified Protect app, smart home dashboard, voice commands, fingerprint, RFID, passcode. It even supports TouchPass, which lets you unlock the door with your phone or your smartwatch. As for the actual lock, I'd go with the Alfred ML2 smart lock. This is everything that you'd expect from a smart lock, but the big deal here is power. Instead of burning through batteries, it uses a rechargeable lithium battery that can be hardwired or even use Y-Charge wireless charging, which keeps it topped up pretty much indefinitely. That means no more dead smart lock problems. It even has a door position sensor you can use for automations and an option for a normal key entry. While the ML2 can work on its own, I want everything to be streamlined, so we'll integrate it with the G4 doorbell through the Home Assistant. The back door is set up pretty much the same way, just no doorbell since we don't expect visitors there. For the garage, we're using a Chamberlain side mount opener. Now, the Chamberlain runs on MyQ, which doesn't really play nice with Home Assistant, but there's a workaround. It's called RAT GDO. It's a small control board that's Wi-Fi enabled and controls the opener via dry contacts, and it reports the door status. This will let us set up automations to monitor and control the mechanism. Outside, we'll have a Ubiquiti G3 reader. That supports TouchPass or RFID and can trigger Home Assistant to open or close the door, and of course you can still use the car remote. For the windows, we need to secure them from opening and breaking. So for that, we'll install the Aqara P2 sensors. These are contact sensors that will alert us if the window is open when it shouldn't. What if the glass breaks? That's a little harder since it won't trigger the contact sensor. So here's the trick. We'll use the microphones on our security cameras. Their AI detection can recognize sounds like glass breaking and send alerts. So with cameras in mind, let's move on to monitoring. Outside, we'll have cameras covering pretty much every angle. On the corner of the house, we'll have a Ubiquiti G6 dome camera facing in either direction, another dome in the middle and front and back walls. These are 4K cameras with tamper-resistant enclosures, AI detection, and night vision out to 30 meters. They don't just see, they also listen. That means alerts for faces, animals, people, even sounds like glass breaking or people talking. On the eaves, we'll also add two Ubiquiti G6 PTZ cameras. These can pan, tilt, or zoom, giving coverage to your blind spots. Even better, they can auto-respond to alerts from the dome cameras. For example, if motion is detected on one of the dome cameras, the PTZ can swing over via a recalled preset and zoom in. Inside the house, the setup's even simpler. We'll use Ubiquiti G6 bullet cameras in the hallways and the common areas, and a Ubiquiti G6 turret camera in the garage. Now, indoor cameras might feel a little bit weird, but it's only in the common areas, and trust me, if intruders ever get inside, you'll want them on record. Plus, I like to check in and see what my dog is up to. All those video feeds need somewhere to record, and that's where the Ubiquiti NVR Pro comes in. It supports up to 24 4K cameras and has 7 drive bays. That's up to about 30 days of storage. It also has a 10 gig SFP port for all that video data. For reviewing the footage, we can use the Protect app to search through all of our events on the Dream Machine Pro, but for quick glances, I would use the Ubiquiti Protect Viewpoint. This is a PoE device that lets us display up to a 16 by 16 grid of live feeds on any HDMI connected monitor. Lastly, we'll also add sensors. The P2 presence sensor from Aqara uses millimeter wave radar to detect up to 5 people at once. Having one of these in each room will let us know where people or intruders are. And for fire safety, the first alert smoke and CO detectors. The combo detector is Z-Wave enabled and it integrates with Home Assistant. So now we've got a safe, secure smart home. Access is controlled, Cameras cover inside and out. Sensors and detectors cover everything else. What would you do differently? Leave a comment and let me know. And as always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll dive into the networking for the ultimate dream smart home. Thanks for watching.